Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by shutting the main water and draining the run you will work on, because empty pipes are safe pipes. Once done, open nearby faucets and the cleanout to relieve pressure. You must set up a stable work area and lay a drip pan. Make sure you have a reciprocating saw with a metal blade and 2 pipe wrenches. Measure and mark the cut points, allowing about 1/2 inch for couplings, and wear eye protection before making the first cut. You now remove the damaged section carefully. Cut at your marks while supporting the run so a joining pipe doesn't sag, because misalignment causes leaks. Once the piece is out, wire brush and square the ends to remove rust and burrs. Clean surfaces ensure a good seal. You measure the replacement length and dry fit the adapter or rubber sleeve. Make incremental adjustments with shims or pipe stands so the new section sits true. This alignment step, you complete the job by installing the coupling or hub and tightening evenly, because uneven torque will distort the seal. Once tightened to spec, restore water slowly and watch every joint for at least 15 minutes. A hairline seep will appear quickly under pressure. If you find a leak, turn the water off immediately, depressurize the line, and reseat the sleeve or gasket. Make sure the pipe ends are square and clean. If leaks persist, replace the coupling or use a new gasket and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.